Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and welcome back. Today is lesson number 5. What should we do today? I have an idea. Should we do the days of the week? Hafta ka dino ke naam. If you don't know the days of the week, please come and join me in this lesson. चलें जी, शुरू करते हैं आज का सबक. Let's begin today's sabak. Days of the week. हफ्ते के दिनों के नाम. There are 7 days in one week. Let's start. Monday, Samwar, Peer. Tuesday, Mangal. Wednesday, Budh. Thursday, Jumarat. Friday, Juma. Saturday, Hafta. And Sunday, Itwar. This time, let's go a bit faster. Samwar, Mangal, Budh, Jumerat, Jumma, Hafta, Itwar. Now you have learned your days of the week in Urdu. To learn more Urdu, please come back for more lessons. Also, please like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Oh yes, now it's joke time. What do you call a fish with no eye? A fish. Allah Hafiz. Bye.